Good morning, welcome to this vlog. It's our day off, so husband's home, kids are home, and to be honest, I was planning grand things for today, but my house is a real mess. I know I do a lot of cleaning and decluttering videos, but my house is still a work in progress when it comes to decluttering. And we're a normal family. Our house is definitely not clean all the time, even though you might think it is. I've had some people say that they look at cleaning videos and it looks like people are cleaning a clean house, but you don't see a lot of the close-ups, you know, the crumbs on the floor and the gunge around the bathroom sink and that kind of thing that I don't want to show you usually. But today I'm going to show you, and I'm going to attempt to clean up some of this mess. Alright, so let's dob my husband in and start over here. This is his end of the bed, and he just dumps all his clothes on the floor, but I'm not totally innocent, so here's my pile, because this is stuff I thought I might wear today, but I'm going to put that away in the drawer. You can see there's some stuff poking out there. The table is really messy. I've got a few books I'm reading from the library, some things that I decluttered from our sideboard, artwork and notebooks and things that I need to put away. It's my daughter's bottle of water because she came into our bed this morning and we all had a bit of sleep in. And then the corner of shame, looking better, but this is all the stuff I've decluttered and I'm selling or donating. And most of these actually empty cardboard boxes because I'm planning to use these to sort out our spare room, office, study, guest room. So these boxes I'm going to take downstairs today. This is from Toots' old car seat. This is a whole lot of new undies and clothes that I bought for Toots from Kmart last weekend that I washed and I need to label for daycare. My husband's sock drawer needs clearing out because clearly it's not all fitting properly in there. Bathroom, I just had a shower, so you can see it's all wet. I should have scraped it down, but I thought husband might jump in afterwards, so usually we scrape down the shower and I haven't. And you can see there's paint coming off the tiles there, which I want to get fixed. I have a shower, dried my hair, all that kind of jazz, and this is kind of gross, but if you can see our bathroom sink's really dirty, so I need to at least give that a wipe out. If I don't do any other cleaning today, I need to do that. That's Bud's old car seat that we removed to replace it with his booster seat yesterday. Bud's bike that he won't ride, and it's not looking too bad because I've decluttered this a few times, but the bed needs to be made. Laundry, I'm doing another couple of loads of laundry today because it's a sunny day. It's all the swimming gear from swimming lessons. I won't go in the kitchen because hubby is cooking breakfast, and as you know, he's very shy. The sideboard's looking pretty good. I decluttered this last weekend, but I've just got to, I want to sell this, and I'm thinking of emptying that out completely and getting rid of it because it just ends up full of junk. Random papers that I need to sort out, and there's going to be more dumped on that table when I clean out the study later, and hubby's just listening to talkback radio, I think. Since I've decluttered, it has been much easier to keep this place tidy because it really, as you can see, is not a lot to pick up, so it doesn't take long to pick up the stuff at all. Can you put your clothes away please and turn the TV down? Put your clothes in the laundry basket, they're dirty ones from last night, yeah? I want to go through these toys again and declutter a bit more. They don't use this was a Christmas present my husband and I bought for them, but they don't use it, so I'm thinking of getting rid of it. Okay, are you ready for this? This is my junk room. This is our room of shame at the moment, and it's the room that everything gets dumped into, so that files. Eventually want to get rid of this cream filing cabinet. It was supposed to be a playroom, and now I don't want to use it as a playroom anymore, and it's just a disaster. The desk is just a nightmare, as you can see. I need to sort of this out. That's a box of chains that we've sold, and a lady's coming to collect those this week. Bud's been pretty good at clearing out his Lego and stuff, and this is just probably most of what's left of his Lego and trains. And we've got a whole wooden set under the stairs in the lounge, like a wooden train set. And then in here, I've decluttered this a few times, and I'll link my video where I decluttered it last year, but it just really needs another good going over. So this is what it currently looks like. So I think this is what I'm going to try and do today, this room, because it's stressing me out a bit. Like clear out my bedroom and clear out this cupboard. When you've got kids at home, it's all the best laid plans, right? But that's where these moving boxes come in. So those moving boxes, I bought them from Bunnings with a credit note that I have. And here's a tip for you. If you've got anything that Bunnings Warehouse, the hardware store in Australia, sells that is new in the packet. Even if you didn't actually buy it from Bunnings, they will scan it even if you don't have a receipt, and if it's new in package and they can sell it again and it's something that they already stock on their shelves, they will give you a credit note for it. So I took all the stuff back to Bunnings after decluttering, this is a few months ago, and I got an I think it was $80 or $90 credit note. So with some of the credit note, I've bought some things that we needed for the house, but then I also bought some of these moving boxes. So there's a tip for you if you live near a Bunnings. Go through and declutter and see what you can take back to there that you bought and you have never opened or used. These moving boxes, I want to try and have a minimalist packing party. I'll do a whole separate video on that. Once that video is filmed and up, I'll link that above. Hi! Are you going to help me declutter today? Alright, so let's get on with the day.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air, so let's take it from there, cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no. Grow, 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 grow.
So that is for the clothing bin, clothes with recycling bin. That is a couple of things that I'm selling that people are coming to collect. And the boxes, which I might need them for my packing party. If not, they'll go in the recycling.
I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Yeah. Make a move before someone takes your place. I see you watching me when we're with our friends.
Alright guys, so it's been a few hours since I last vlogged and it's gone pretty well. I'm really happy with how it's gone. I've decluttered quite a lot of stuff, but I don't want to spoil it, so you're going to have to go and watch the packing party decluttering video to see what happened there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you a little peek into the behind the scenes of how I declutter and tidy up. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!